How does Ofcom handle complaints about the BBC? Ofcom is the UK regulator for TV, radio and on-demand content, including the BBC. But complaints about the BBC work a little bit differently to other broadcast complaints. But how does it work? Under the BBC Charter and agreements, all complaints about BBC programmes have to go through a process called BBC First. This means if you have an issue with BBC content, you must complain to the BBC first. If you're unhappy with their response or you don't get a reply within the deadline, you can then escalate that complaint to Ofcom. There are exceptions to this though. For example, issues like privacy breaches or serious public harm can go straight to us. Once a complaint reaches us, we'll assess it to see if any rules were broken, and if necessary, we can investigate and publish that in our bulletin. So if you see something on the BBC which you don't like, you need to complain to the BBC first. But anything on any other broadcaster, you can complain to Ofcom.